friends, my name is Narodegitai. Welcome to my channel Study of Life Science. Today we are going to discuss about C4 pathway or also called as the HSK pathway or dicarboxylic acid pathway. The C4 pathway, the name indicates that C4, it means the 4 carbon compound which stable inside the pathway. That's why they call it as a C4 pathways. If you think C4 pathways is a modified of C3 pathway, but C3 pathway is not requires much more energy for production of carbohydrates or any form of sugar as compared to C4 pathway. It needs a lot of energy for the production of carbohydrates or derivatives of sugar. So the question is why the plant need modified and waste their lot of energy. If you think in C3 cycle, if the concentration of CO2 is less and the concentration of oxygen is more in that atmosphere, so what happens? The Rubisco is one of the important enzymes for fixation of carbon dioxide. While the concentration of oxygen is more rather than carbon dioxide, so in that condition, Rubisco can fix the oxygen present inside the atmosphere. What gets result? They also produce carbohydrates or any forms of sugar, but they needs a lot of energy. They waste a lot of energy for production of carbohydrates instead of normal C3 cycle. That's why the plants need to modify this C3 cycle and formation of C4 pathway. So, what's a modification? If we think such like sugarcane or maize, so in that the leaves has a center vascular bundle, okay, and there is surround bundle sheets. On that bundle sheet, there is also surround the mesophyll cells. That's this condition or that setup called as a Kranz anatomy, and that's the modification take place inside the C4 pathways. So let's begin how this work of this C4 pathway. So if we think here, this is a general reaction of C4 pathway. Here is CO2 plus H2O to form the HCO3 minus, which is a dicarboxylic acid. Okay, by the presence of enzyme carbonic anhydrase for the conversion of CO2 plus H2O to dicarboxylic acid. Okay, so you see here these two main chloroplasts present inside the different cells. First which is mesophyll cells, second which is a bundle sheet cells. The chloroplast present in mesophyll cells called as the mesophyll chloroplast and bundle sheet cells present those chloroplasts called as the bundle sheet chloroplast. It is a dimorphic. The chloroplast which has two chloroplasts of different cells. Here the CO2 which converts along with water the conversion of dicarboxylic acid. This dicarboxylic acid react with phosphoenol pyruvate which is 3 carbon compound. We get oxaloacetic acid by using the enzyme phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. Here is oxaloacetic acid. There are 4 carbon compound and one thing is that it is a stable compound inside the C4 pathway. This oxaloacetic acid after their conversion of aspartic acid or malic acid. This conversion depends on which type of enzyme present inside the mesophyll cells. If the enzyme transaminase are present, those oxaloacetic acid is formation of aspartic acid by presence of enzyme transaminase. On the other hand, the enzyme malic dehydrogenase are present along with the energy carrier molecules is nothing but NADH plus H plus, which formation of NADP. So in that condition, the oxaloacetic acid produce a malic acid. Okay. So once malic acid forms inside the mesophyll cells, they enters in the bundle sheet cells. So we'll see here. This is a bundle sheet cell of chloroplast. So once these malic acids are formed inside the mesophyll cells, then enters in the bundle sheet cell through plasmodesmata. Okay, this is the plasmodesmata for health communication. Okay, so this malic acid formation of pyruvic acid. Malic acid formation of pyruvic acid by using the enzyme oxidative decarboxylation. While the formation of malic acid to pyruvic acid, there is evolved the oxygen along with NADPH plus H plus, which are energy carrier molecules. This evolved CO2 enters inside the Calvin cycles for the production of carbohydrates. So here we see is intermediate two molecules of phosphoglyceric acid, then phosphoglyceric acid converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, then this 3-glyceraldehyde phosphate converted into carbohydrates, remaining 5 produce ribulose bisphosphate. Okay, so that the sense these Calvin cycles run. Okay, so if you see here, the malic acid are 4 carbon compound. Okay, so among them one enters the Calvin cycle and remaining forms of pyruvic acid, which are 3 carbon compound. When these pyruvic acids are formed inside the bundle sheet of chloroplast, they enters in mesophyll chloroplast via plasmodesmata. So here we see this mesophyll chloroplast again enter this pyruvic acid. Okay, so this pyruvic acid, there is formation of phosphoenol pyruvate. It's a very important for to react with dicarboxylic acid and formation of oxaloacetic acid. So it is a very important. So here the pyruvic acid, which are 3 carbon compound. Here is 3 carbon compound. Okay, so this pyruvic acid, the conversion of phosphoenol pyruvic acid by using the enzyme phosphatase pyruvate dikinase enzyme. Along with they needs ATP and inorganic phosphate. So ATP and inorganic phosphate is converted into AMP plus inorganic pyrophosphate. Okay, and there is a formation of phosphoenol pyruvic acid. After that, this phosphoenol pyruvic acid react with dicarboxylic acid, again the formation of oxalic acid, and again the formation of malic acid or aspartic acid. So such, okay, so that's the sense about C4 pathways. If you like the videos, please like, share with your friends, and definitely subscribe my channel. Thank you.